One of the most painful goodbyes a person can go through is walking away from someone they deeply love, not because the love has died, but because the relationship is no longer healthy. It's that kind of goodbye where your heart still longs for them, but your soul knows you can't stay. You try to make it work. You give second chances, third chances, even silent forgiveness for things that should have never happened. But after a while, love alone isn't enough to carry the weight of something one-sided. Staying in such a relationship means holding on to hope that they will change, even when time has already proven otherwise. It means shrinking yourself just to keep the peace, tolerating their distance, their inconsistency, and their lack of effort while quietly losing pieces of who you are. And still, you love them. Still, you pray for better days. But deep down, you know love shouldn't feel like survival. You know it's not supposed to hurt more than it heals. Leaving doesn't mean you've given up. In fact, walking away is one of the bravest things you can ever do, especially when your heart still cares. You leave not because you stopped loving them, but because you finally started loving yourself. You realize that respect, peace, and emotional safety are not things you should have to beg for. And once you understand that, the fear of letting go starts to fade, even though the pain still lingers. It's not an easy path. The nights are long. The questions are endless. Did I try enough? Did I give too much? Could I have waited longer? But in time, you begin to see clearly. You start to recognize the difference between someone who truly values you and someone who just gets used to your presence. You begin to understand that love should never cost you your mental well-being or your self-worth. Sometimes, the most genuine form of love is the one that lets go. The kind that says, I wish you well, but I won't lose myself trying to hold on to you. That's not bitterness. That's clarity. That's maturity. That's choosing to protect your peace over prolonging your pain. And in that quiet, courageous moment you grow. You heal. You reclaim your identity. So if you ever find yourself in a place where the love is real, but the relationship is slowly breaking you, listen to your heart, but follow your soul. Because when respect is no longer being served at the table, it's not selfish to walk away. It's sacred. अगर मेरी बातें आपके दिल को छू गई हो, अगर आपने इनमें कहीं खुद को महसूस किया हो, तो मेरे चैनल सीधे रूह तक को जरूर लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करें। शायद यही एक वीडियो किसी और के लिए उम्मीद की रोशनी बन जाए। आपका साथ मेरे लिए हिम्मत है। शुक्रिया।